run with you. I don't care who's the quarterback. And also what it does, it just eliminates so many other things you can do. Sean Phillips, like Sean Merriman, and they make a good play and show some excitement.
I think Rob Baronis like get a leg kick, which is as good as that one from Sean Phillips.
Baronis, the AFC Pro Bowl kicker.
Are the most extreme fighters in the county.
He's out to try one from 30 yards.
Nothing can stand